You guys can see it. So this is a program where it develops young teens, young adolescents to become inducted into the business world, be comfortable, and be able to network and associate with higher ranking people.
Shining brighter than a diamond, 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 cause I got the glow. Phone ringing, yeah, the money calling, and I got the go. I'm back up on my shit, yeah, I thought you should know. Shining brighter than a diamond, 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 cause I got the glow. Whoa, I got the glow.
Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Trueline back at it again with another YouTube video. Back at it again with another one, you feel me? And today, I'm just doing an intro back into YouTube, honestly, because I feel like I never gave you guys a proper intro. I never told you guys exactly what I'm planning to do here. So I just want to start off and say that right now I'm about to graduate from high school. Yes, in 3 years, not 4, 3, not 2, not 1, but 3. Right? Everybody knows the natural years in high school is 4. Natural years in college is 4. But if you get your master's, that's 2 more years. If you get associates, that's just 2 years. Feel me? So I'm going to college, right? And I completed the DSY program that I was in December. I actually got a plaque, which I'll show now. Right? So I have the plaque here. You guys can see it. Alright? You guys can see it. So this is a program where it develops young teens, young adolescents to become inducted into the business world, be comfortable, and be able to network and associate with higher ranking people, right? And I also got this award. It's a program called Youth on Stage, where it's also in the All Stars project, right? But it also helps students who are probably academically challenged. I'm not academically challenged. I'm graduating 3 years instead of 4. Whoa, yeah. But I'm not academically challenged. I just like the talent part of it, right? So it made me more comfortable speaking to people. It pushed me to do YouTube, right? It's it was a stepping stone for me, right? So I met a lot of cool people, especially this guy with the dreads. He's mad cool. His name is Alright, so his name was John. Yeah, so it took me a while to remember. His name is John. He's very cool. He's the one who pushes kids to actually talk in class and say other things. So basically, Youth on Stage was a talent show network, so that kids would be cause in school they just tell you learn, but they wouldn't actually push you to do something talent wise, if you can draw, if you can dance, if you interpreted dance, music, piano, stuff like that, right? So I like that part of it, and we did a lot of cool games to break the ice and make us talk to people or connect with people and stuff like that. So that was really cool. So I completed both of those programs, right? So now what I'm doing, I'm using this YouTube channel. I'm promoting my father's business. I'm using some of my friends' songs, right? Promoting them too. And I'm just showing you guys my life. I'm coming with pranks, music, covers, tutorials, hair tutorials, my daily life vlogs, programs that I will be in. I'm starting an internship in the summer, so that's pranks, tutorials, content all over, vlogs. That's all. This is all for y'all. I'm doing everything. I'm the type of person who does everything. I'm active. You feel me? In my church, I was active until a lot of their equipment started breaking down. So I was like, if I do this, I'm gonna be the one to blame. If this camera moves a little bit, they're gonna be like, this guy's unprofessional. And I'm like, but in a regular movie setting, there would be cameras to cut to. If we only have one camera, who are we cutting to? Us? What? That makes no sense. What, bro? Like, come on. And now that I will be going to college soon, I'm pretty nervous. But you know, gotta shake them nerves. When I get nervous, I just like talk and like break my nerves a little bit. So that's what I'm doing now. My next video should be a piano cover, or piano. I'm not gonna tell you. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna tell you what the video is. But the video after that is gonna be a piano cover. I'm doing a lot of new things. I got the mic and stuff, so I should be good. I'm doing a lot of things. If you haven't seen my my recent video, which it was a motivational video, so it was telling you guys, be comfortable with yourself, don't try to impress others, be yourself, right? So check that video. It's in the description box below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you guys haven't liked this video yet, please like it. Punch that like button, you feel me? Punch it, you feel me? I got y'all. You really, like, come on. This is a lit YouTube channel. Give it some likes, you feel me? Get me to 100. Once I hit 100, I'm taking y'all everywhere. When I mean everywhere, because that will be a crazy event. Me actually getting 100 subs. That's dope. I actually want to try that. And I'm actually gonna teach y'all how to get y'all hair in a bun like this. Well, it's not a bun, it's a ponytail. Buns are up top, ponytails in the back. Alright, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get this. This is actually really dope. I just achieved this. This is really cool. My hair isn't really slicked. It's not like gelled or slicked back. It's just, you know, boom, right there. There it is. Feel me? That's really dope. It's really dope. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that. This is a quick hairstyle. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that in a couple videos, but y'all have to get me to 100 subscribers. I got y'all. Trooper gang, trooper squad, you feel me? Peace.
Hey,
It's that motherfucking bounce.
off the block shit. Hey, this what I love to do. I'ma bust a move. Niggas got work to move. What I love to do. This what I love to do. I'ma bust a move. Yeah, I love to move. This what I love to do.